Welcome to explore the travel world.
In this video, we're sharing budgeting travel tips. 10 incredible ways to travel affordably. If you dream of exploring the world without breaking the bank, these practical tips are for you. From finding cheap accommodations to utilizing public transport, we'll cover smart strategies to help you maximize your travel experiences while keeping costs low. Let's get started. Number 1. Create a travel budget. The first step to traveling affordably is to create a detailed travel budget. Before you even begin planning your trip, sit down and calculate how much you can realistically afford to spend. Break your budget into categories such as accommodation, food, transportation, and activities. This will give you a clear picture of your total expenses and help you allocate funds accordingly. A well-planned budget will prevent you from overspending and ensure you stay on track. Once your budget is set, stick to it by researching low-cost alternatives for each category. Keep a little extra aside for unexpected costs that may arise during your travels. By creating a travel budget early on, you'll have a solid plan to guide your spending and make your trip both affordable and enjoyable. Number 2. Use rewards points. If you're a frequent traveler or have a credit card with travel rewards, now's the time to cash in on those points. Many airlines, hotels, and credit cards offer loyalty programs that allow you to accumulate points or miles with each purchase. Over time, these points can be redeemed for free or discounted flights, hotel stays, or car rentals. It's a great way to reduce your travel expenses significantly. Before booking anything, check if you have enough rewards points to cover part or all of your trip. Some cards even offer travel perks like free check bags or airport lounge access, further cutting down on costs. Make sure to monitor when your points expire and take advantage of bonus point offers. Using rewards points strategically can make a huge difference in making travel more affordable. Number 3. Travel during off-peak seasons. One of the most effective ways to save money on travel is to go during off-peak seasons. Peak travel times like holidays or summer typically come with higher prices for flights, accommodations, and attractions. By traveling during the shoulder season or off-peak months, you can take advantage of lower prices and fewer crowds. Not only will you save on airfare and hotels, but you'll also have a more relaxed and less touristy experience. Research the best times to visit your desired destination when prices tend to drop. For example, visiting Europe in the fall or Asia during the monsoon season can lead to massive savings. Traveling off-peak is a smart strategy to experience the same attractions at a fraction of the cost while avoiding the hustle and bustle of peak tourism. Number 4. Find affordable accommodations. Accommodation is often one of the most expensive aspects of traveling, but there are plenty of ways to find affordable places to stay. Instead of booking pricey hotels, consider alternative options like hostels, Airbnb, or budget-friendly guest houses. If you're open to unique experiences, you can also try house sitting or staying in homestays where you stay with locals. For longer stays, renting an apartment can often be cheaper than a hotel and comes with the added benefit of a kitchen. If you're adventurous, you can also consider camping in certain destinations, which can dramatically reduce costs. Many travelers opt for shared accommodations like dorm rooms, which offer an affordable and social way to experience new places. Researching your options ahead of time and booking early can also help you score better deals. Number 5. Cook your own meals. Food can be a major expense when traveling, but one of the best ways to save money is to cook your own meals. Staying in accommodations with kitchen facilities, such as vacation rentals or hostels, allows you to prepare your own food instead of eating out for every meal. Visit local markets or grocery stores to buy fresh ingredients and try your hand at cooking local dishes. Not only will this save you money, but it's also a fun way to immerse yourself in the local culture. If cooking isn't an option, you can still save by opting for street food or dining at affordable local eateries instead of expensive restaurants. Meal planning and prepping in advance can make a huge difference in your travel budget. Number 6. Use public transportation. Another key to affordable travel is to use public transportation. Instead of relying on taxis or rideshare services, research the local public transportation options in your destination. Buses, trains, and trams are usually much cheaper and can give you a more authentic experience of the city. Many cities offer unlimited transit passes for a day or week, which can save you money if you're using public transportation frequently. If you're traveling long distances, look into budget airlines or overnight buses and trains, which can save both time and money. Public transportation is not only a cost-effective way to get around, but it's also environmentally friendly and often more convenient in busy urban areas. Number 7. Take advantage of free attractions. Every destination has a wealth of free attractions that can save you money while still allowing you to experience the local culture. From beautiful parks, museums, and historic landmarks to festivals and walking tours, there are often plenty of things to do that won't cost you a dime. Research your destination to find free or discounted entry days for popular attractions. Many cities offer free walking tours, which provide a great way to explore and learn about the area without spending a lot of money. Nature lovers can take advantage of hiking trails, beaches, and national parks, which often offer free or low-cost entry. Make sure to include a mix of paid and free activities in your itinerary to keep your budget in check. Number 8. Plan itineraries in advance. Planning your itinerary in advance can help you stay within your travel budget. By booking activities, tours, and transportation ahead of time, you can often secure early bird discounts and avoid last-minute price hikes. Planning also allows you to prioritize the activities you really want to do, ensuring that you don't waste money on spur-of-the-moment decisions. Researching in advance gives you time to compare prices, find the best deals, and even adjust your itinerary to fit your budget. Having a clear plan for each day will help you avoid overspending and ensure you get the most value out of your trip. Number 9. Look for package deals. One of the best ways to save money on travel is to take advantage of package deals. Many travel companies offer discounted packages that bundle flights, accommodations, and sometimes activities into one lower price. These packages can often save you hundreds of dollars compared to booking everything separately. Websites like Expedia, Priceline, and Travelocity often have deals that are specifically designed to help travelers save money on their entire trip. Sometimes, booking package deals directly through airlines or hotel chains can also provide extra perks, such as free breakfast or airport transfers. Be sure to compare different packages and read the fine print to ensure you're getting the best possible deal. Number 10. Track your expenses. Once you're on your trip, it's crucial to track your expenses to avoid overspending. Use budgeting apps like Mint or Trail Wallet to monitor your daily spending and ensure you're staying within the limits you set before your trip. Keeping a close eye on your expenses helps you make adjustments as needed, so you can cut back in one area if you're overspending in another. This habit ensures you stay on budget and avoid running out of money before your trip ends. It's also helpful for learning where you tend to overspend, so you can plan better for future travels. By tracking expenses, you'll enjoy your trip without the stress of financial surprises.
Thanks for watching Explore the Travel World. We hope you enjoyed this journey with us. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travelers. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Until our next exploration, keep wandering, keep discovering, and keep exploring the world.